Today, I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to build out websites that actually rank. Like you can see, for example, this is an AI SEO website. This is another one. These were actually both built with auto blogging. But I want to show you a free technique to build out a site like this that actually gets traffic from day one on the website. So you can see here, for example, this was Enterprise SEO ROI Calculator. You can see the traffic is coming in consistently. And this is within the first month of building it, right? Now, that is absolutely mind blowing because it's in the top 3.5% of websites on the internet, according to Ahrefs, who have monitored over 1 billion sites with AI SEO, and realized that that actually 96.5% of websites get zero traffic from Google. So I'm going to show you how to be in the top 3.5% today by automating a website that you can quickly build out with a free tool called Windsurf. Now, let's get straight into it. So the way that you could do this, if we go into Windsurf like you see right here, we're going to open up a new folder to start up a new project. Then we're going to set up a new folder that just says something like, I don't know, let's say we want to replicate this example. So we're going to put Enterprise SEO ROI Calculator, hit create, open that bad boy up. And basically Windsurf, you can download it for free online. It's a one-click install, super, super basic stuff. And then from here, I'm going to click trust the authors. We're going to X off the GitHub repository notification, and then we're going to start getting this party started. So let's say we want to quickly automate a website like this. Basically, the first place to start is to get the keyword research. Now, you don't need to use a paid tool like Ahrefs. You can actually use a free version, or you can use Google Autocomplete. So you do not need to pay for this either. But I'm on the paid plan, so I'm just going to make it easier and faster for everyone watching. Inside the keywords over here, we would just find a calculator related search term that we want to create an exact match domain about. And, you can build multiple pages using Windsurf. It's actually easier to build multiple page websites with Windsurf than it is with, say, bolt.new. But either way, I'm just going to create a basic one pager today just to show you quickly how easy and fast this is. In fact, we could probably build multiple at the same time. Basically, just to narrow this down and make this super easy, I'm going to go for like KD 10 or less. I'm going to go for DR0's ranking on the first page of Google, just to give myself the best possible chance of ranking. Now, some people comment and say, if you don't have an exact match domain, you wouldn't rank as fast, mate. And I would agree. That's the whole point of this, right? It's to make it easy, not hard for ourselves. Let's say, for example, I ran a marathon in 3 hours. It would be the equivalent of someone coming along and saying, mate, you couldn't do that if you're wearing flip-flops and a ball and chain. And again, you just want to make it easy for yourself, right? So from here, we're going to start looking at different ways we can create a snow day calculator, because this seems to be a good keyword to go for. The reason for that is because you can see here it's got a high traffic potential. It's super easy to rank for. And if we actually check the keyword, we can see that low authority domains are ranking in the top 10. Boom shakalaka. That's what we want, right? We got DR0, DR9, DR2. It's probably very, very easy to rank for that keyword. We don't need many backlinks to rank on the first page. And it's got a very high traffic potential. Awesome. Right. So if we want to rank for that keyword, here's what we're going to do. So we're going to take this keyword, snow day calculator. Again, you can find this on Google, or you can use the free keyword generator from Ahrefs, which is this tool right here. Plug it in, find the keywords. It will tell you exactly the same information like you see right here. Now we're going to go back to Windsurf, and we're going to go in the chat. I'm going to say, all right, create a beautifully designed snow day calculator. All right. Now we'll put the time on because I want to show you how fast and easy this is, even though I can't spell. So if we put the stow patch on right there, it's the stopwatch running nicely. We're going to create a beautifully designed snow day calculator, SEO optimized for the keyword, with actual content on the page too, plus a relevant tool. Right? We'll hit to like so. Again, the stow patch is still running. The stopwatch is going. Time waits for no man or woman. And so now we're going to time this and see how long it takes to create. So you see here, it's creating files for the project. Then it's creating a CSS file. That's taken 1 minute so far. I would genuinely say it is a bit slower than, say, using something like Bolt, because Bolt is running locally. Now, if we pause the stopwatch here, so that took a grand total of 115 seconds to build. Now, if we open up the index.html and we'll grab the file, drag it into here, and we have the page ready to go. How ridiculous is that, right? You've built out a website that potentially has a traffic potential of 291,000 in one single click. If we actually compare side by side. Now, what's interesting is, like, some people say, AI websites are spammy, whatever. they're not very good, you're not creating much value, etc. But be honest with me, my friends. Which one would you prefer? Like, which page is looking better? Like, they've obviously done a fantastic job ranking number one for this keyword. But if we have a look at this, right? But if we have a look at which calculator is the most useful, I would say this one. Simply because the UI is nicer, it's super clean, it's got some nice information on the page, it loads really quickly. The tool actually works, I believe. We put in the temperature here, then we're going to put 10 there, 60 there, and we'll put in the region as northeast, and then we'll calculate it. You can see here it actually works, and it works instantly. Super easy, really fast to create. You can actually run the Python script inside the chat to just open up the website and check it out. And you can see here, we're actually open this up in your browser. So you can check out the website, set it up locally, test it out before you host it, see how it's doing. And it's created like a whole blog for me, including the Amazon affiliate links in literally a few minutes as well. And actually this is pretty nicely designed. Plus, if we check out the code for this website, super clean. It will run really quick if you host that online. So the power and the potential of Windsurf is absolutely awesome. It's very similar to Cursor in terms of its usage, but you don't have to pay for it. It seems to actually work for me. Like, I couldn't get Cursor working in the same way. Thanks so much for watching. That's basically how you can build out a website like this that ranks very quickly, super simple to set up. What I'm actually going to do is I will take the prompts from today for the SEO ROI calculator, which is super simple, as you can see, and I'm going to plug that into my Windsurf AI SEO SOP, right? This comes with some video tutorials, loads of different use cases, some of my best SOPs on how to do this, some of my best prompts and how I built out that bird photography website. And additionally, if you want the calculator prompt, it's inside this document too, just to keep everything in one place. And if you want to get access to this, just go to my free SEO course, link in the comments description, then log in, free SEO course, free SEO tools, and then Windsurf AI. You'll find all the video notes right there. Now, if you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to book that in, link in the comments description. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors a month and generate thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot on this free link building acceleration session. You'll get a free SEO domination plan, discover the secrets of link building, we'll answer any questions you have. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, plus how to quickly outrank your competitors with link building, how to 10x SEO traffic based on what's working for us. Additionally, on this free link building acceleration session, we're offering some amazing Black Friday deals. So if you sign up for 3 months, 6 months, etc., you will get some massive discounts. And not only that, my friends, because for Black Friday only, we have a special coupon code where you will save $2,600 if you use the code ELITE on this page, right? So if we apply the code ELITE, you will save $2,603 to be precise, and you can sign up instantly. Make sure you get that before the Black Friday deal ends, and I will see you in there, hopefully. Cheers, bye-bye.